Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing American style black eyed peas recipe, perfect for the new year. Let's get into it. So today we're going to start by boiling our smoked meat. I have one turkey wing here. We're going to boil this until it's falling off the bone and the meat is nice and tender. So I did went ahead and add some hot water to my black eyed peas to soak it because I forgot to do it overnight. And here you see the turkey meat has fallen off the bone. We're going to remove that big bone there and we're going to proceed to the next step. So here I will go ahead and add my black eyed peas and I will add, the rest of my ingredients. I did have some leftover broth, homemade broth from Christmas, so I'll be using that. But if you don't have homemade broth, you can use chicken broth or whatever you have on hand. I will add that in and I will go in with my trinity, which are onions, bell peppers, celery, and some garlic. While I was adding that in, I realized that the pot was too small, so I had to switch pots in order to make everything fit. Now that we have a bigger pot, I will just add the rest of my broth and I will add a little seasoning here. Please season to your own preference. I will also add a pinch of brown sugar for balance and I will add some thyme for that extra deliciousness. We will cover this and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat until the peas are nice and tender. After about an hour and a half or so, the peas is now tender. But what I like to do is go in with a masher and mash some of the peas for that rich thickness. And you can taste and adjust the seasonings, like I said, to your own preference. I tasted mine and I needed a little more flavor in here, so I added some more seasoning. And here I will add some andouille sausage. I placed this into my oven on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes and it was perfectly done. Now I will add it to my black eyed peas, give it a stir, and that's it, guys. Your black eyed peas is all done. This is my husband's favorite. It's an American tradition on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. So now let's plate this up and enjoy. I paired this with some plain rice and it was spectacular. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. Happy New Year, and enjoy.